Can machines think? This thought-provoking question, first posed by the iconic mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing, has sparked the imaginations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers alike. It is the question that birthed the field we now know as artificial intelligence. In the early days, it was Turing who laid the groundwork for what we now call computer science. In the 1930s, he proposed the idea of a universal machine that could solve any problem given the right instructions. This concept, now known as the Turing machine, is the foundation of every computer in existence today. Fast forward to the 1950s, and we find ourselves at the dawn of artificial intelligence as a field. John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon organized the Dartmouth Conference, where they coined the term artificial intelligence. They envisioned machines not just calculating numbers, but also understanding natural language, learning from experience, and even improving themselves. The 60s and 70s saw the development of the first AI programs. These early attempts at AI were rule-based systems, which meant they followed preset rules and guidelines to make decisions. While these systems were groundbreaking for their time, they lacked the ability to learn and adapt. Enter the 1980s, a time of renewed hope for AI. This was the era of expert systems, computer programs that could mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts. However, these systems were still limited by their inability to learn from their mistakes and adapt to new information. Jump to the turn of the millennium, where advances in technology and computing power allowed for the development of machine learning. This changed the game entirely. No longer did AI need to be explicitly programmed for every possible situation. Instead, these systems could learn from data, improving their performance over time. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves in the era of deep learning. A subset of machine learning, deep learning uses neural networks with many layers, hence the deep in deep learning, to model and understand complex patterns in data. This has led to breakthroughs in fields like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even autonomous vehicles. But where does this leave us for the future? The potential applications of AI are vast and varied, from healthcare to agriculture, from climate science to space exploration. AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Yet with great potential comes great responsibility. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it is important to consider the ethical implications of AI and ensure that it is developed and used in a way that benefits all of humanity. So can machines think? Perhaps the more pertinent question now is, how will we guide their thinking in a way that ensures a brighter, more inclusive future? This is the challenge and the opportunity that the field of artificial intelligence presents us with today. And with that thought, we find ourselves back where we started, with the words of Alan Turing echoing in our ears. Can machines think? Only time and our collective efforts will truly tell.